To train your staff and ensure you can create test bookings in Roller and this to have no impact on your Roller reports, you can do so by using Roller Playground. Roller Playground is a training environment that is an exact replica of your live environment to allow for real-life scenarios and training. To navigate to Playground, click on the person icon down the bottom left and click Switch to Playground. From here, you will see an exact replica of your live environment, except you'll see a yellow bar at the top which says Playground Mode Not Live to indicate to you that you can create bookings and this will not impact your reports. To navigate to Point of Sale for training, go to Apps, Point of Sale, Launch Point of Sale. And enter your POS PIN. You're now logged into Roller, Point of Sale, and Playground. If your staff don't have access to Venue Manager, but still want to practice in Roller, Play, Point of Sale, they will need to navigate directly to the URL pointofsale.play.roller.app.